Oh, hey there, what's up guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be making a delicious avocado chocolate pudding. If you have never had avocado chocolate pudding, you're probably missing out. Stop buying the brand stuff. Let me show you how avocado pudding is done. Alright, first guys, let's go over some of the ingredients. We're going to be using some beautiful avocados that I picked up recently. And we got 6 of them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got some agave nectar because we need some sweetness. Organic chocolate cocoa powder, or else this recipe would not happen without this. And a little bit of vegan protein because I want to add a little protein of this. First thing we're going to do, we're going to grab the avocados. I guarantee you all these avocados are nice and ripe already. They're beautiful. I've selected them myself. Look at this. Are you ready? Bam! Check this out. Bam! Alright guys, now that you got all the avocados in there, we're gonna smash them like you would smash that like button. Get it? Smashing the avocados, it's not my favorite part of the recipe. Alright, we're gonna put some of this cocoa powder. We need a lot of it because there's a lot in here. We're gonna put some of this vegan protein in here. That's more. Alright. Alright, we're gonna now mix everything in here. Mixing this is also not my favorite part of the recipe. I think the only two things that are my favorite part of the recipe are eating and when I click post the video. Yeah, I'm gonna get a food processor. That's gonna be the next thing I'm gonna get, so it will make everything much easier. Hashtag first world problems. Alright, so I've been blending all this together, and the smell that comes out is just so good. The good thing with this is that you can mix it with all kinds of things. You can mix it with fruit, you can throw it in a dessert, you can eat it by itself, you can put some almonds on top, you can get creative. The possibilities are endless, guys. Alright guys, well that will be the video of the week. That was my chocolate avocado pudding. Completely vegan, absolutely delicious, absolutely rich. You guys should try that, making that at home. If you have never tried it before, you have never tried a pudding like this. And if this is one of the first time watching one of my videos, guys, click the subscribe button. If you like what you saw, smash the like button. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, or if you would like to teach me how to cook, write it in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching. I will be back next week, guys. Until next time now.
I feel paralyzed.
I think it would be a crime if I don't sit there and eat this whole thing right now. It would be very bad if I didn't.